Hi, I'm Caitlin Heldman, and I'm a project manager with Shift Collective.
Hi, my name is Steve Reynolds, and I'm an architect and one of the founding partners here at Shift Collective. Today we're going to talk a little about sustainability and how that relates to architecture and construction. While there are many factors today that impact the environment, buildings have a significant impact when it comes to the construction, the design, the fabrication, and even the operation of the spaces that we design and construct. Sustainability, by definition, means the avoidance of the depletion of our natural resources to maintain an ecological balance.
One of the most widely referenced programs for architectural design and sustainability is LEED. However, there are other programs and practices that we will reference today that also aid us in designing more sustainable and regionally appropriate spaces. LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. LEED is the most widely used green building rating system in the world. It was founded in 1993 to create a coalition and a green building rating system spanning the entire building industry. The credentialing continues to change, and we are currently on version LEED 4.1. LEED certification provides independent verification of a building or neighborhood's green features, allowing for the design, construction, operations, and maintenance to be resource efficient, high-performing, healthy, and cost-effective. Based on the number of points achieved, a project earns one of 4 LEED rating levels: certified, silver, gold, or platinum. LEED provides a roadmap for developing sustainable buildings to reduce environmental impact. Individuals can become accredited in specific areas of LEED. They are building design and construction, operations and maintenance, interior design and construction, neighborhood development, homes and cities, and communities.
The cost for LEED certifications can range significantly depending on the size of the building, the type of construction, or even the level of certification. Just as a point of reference, a 500,000 square foot building could cost upwards of $30,000 to certify, while a small tenant fit-out space could be as little as $3,500. Some additional costs to consider could be in the administrative portion of the certification process. The design team may need to spend a significant amount of time creating the documentation that is required to certify the building. Another thought to take into consideration is even in the direct cost of construction. Many of the sustainable practices executed in the built environment are not necessarily anything new. The earliest civilizations used passive cooling and heating, they strategically positioned their buildings to take advantage of the sun's natural light, or they even utilized rainwater, just to name a few. While there have been several technological advancements with materials or even recycled content, many of these design strategies can be implemented as a standard of practice, creating more efficient and environmentally friendly buildings. A lot of our clients may simply choose to design sustainably and just celebrate the features of their buildings. There are dormitories that have live energy consumption dashboards where students can see how their facilities compare to other similar buildings and how their individual actions can impact the metrics. Corporations may choose to highlight features such as LED lighting or bottle filling stations and share the reduced consumption and water energy savings through signage. While these may seem like small steps, collectively they start to make a very significant impact even without certifications.
Along with LEED, there are several sustainable programs that surround design and construction. LEED certification often references Green Guard and Energy Star as other certifications that may be required. The WELL Building Standard focuses on measuring the features of the built environment that impact human health and wellness. Acting sustainably does not have to be financially burdensome or need to be restricted to only the design and construction process. Zero Landfill accepts building material donations and then offers them to the public for free. Green Spot, which is local to Columbus, Ohio, educates and inspires households, businesses, and community groups that adopt green practices. Green Spot has saved more than $13 million, reduced CO2 emissions by 41 million pounds, reduced water consumption by 145 million gallons, and recycled 32 million pounds.
As designers and constructors, we can influence how we build. It's our responsibility to develop sustainable buildings that can reduce our environmental impact.